Hey guys, welcome back to JD Rides. Today's video is going to be very interesting. It's going to be a rolling race video between the Kawasaki Z900 versus the Triumph Street Triple RS. So I'm going to be riding the Z900 of course, and my friend Ritvik is going to be riding the Street Triple RS. You can follow Ritvik on his Instagram right here. So guys, this small intro is about me telling you the dimensions of the riders. So Ritvik is 6'1" and he's about 69 to 70 kilos, and I am 6'2" and a half, and I am about 95 kilos. So there is a weight disparity. Street Triple RS is inherently really torquey. You guys can watch it for yourselves right now. So let's get right into the video.
Target acquired. Enemy spotted.
So guys, I just started to drag with, I try a rolling race with my Ritvik, and these loud exhausts, these short exhausts really startled me. And I also hit the limiter because I was focusing on Ritvik falling into my lane. So this one, you won, Ritvik. Okay. So let's go for another round. The mid-range RPM, the mid-range torque is just incredible. And the 2020 Street Triple RS has, I think, 9% more mid-range torque. That's the power figure over there. And this bike is a 2018 bike, and it's just too powerful. Yeah. RSV4 Beaking, that's a beaking. Guys, look at this. This is a pretty rare bike. It's the Suzuki Beaking. Not able to see properly, but I think that is what it is. It's like a naked Busa. So you know the kind of power it has. If you ask me, that's an overkill, guys. A naked Busa is an overkill. Especially that bike, because as far as I know, it has no ABS. I think it has traction control but no ABS.
So guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. So while I was editing, I noticed that there was actually quite a lot of rolling races that we did, and this was the video that you just saw. That's only going to Mayura Hotel, and there's still coming back footage left, and it's almost 3:30 a.m. and I'm a little tired, and I think it's about 6.5 minutes. I think that's enough. If I'll upload the second part, if you guys really like this. Even if you don't, I'll eventually run out of content because it's a lockdown, so I'll post it soon. But this is just going to be a part 1. There's going to be a part 2 to this, and that's it for this video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.